I'm going to draw a picture on this dry erase board, boys and girls, and I want you to see if you can figure out what it is. Do you have any idea what that might be? I'll give you a hint. It is something that we eat, and most of us probably like to eat it. Some of us like to eat it with pepperoni, and some of us like to eat it without pepperoni, just with cheese on it. Any idea what that might be? Pizza. Like pizza. Is that a complete sentence? Like pizza? Remember, a complete sentence has two things. It has to have a someone or something, and it has to have an action word. There I am up in the corner. You can see me now. So, it has to have a someone or something, and it has to have an action word. Does this have a someone or something? No, but we can fix it. I like pizza. I is the someone. Like is the action word. It begins with a capital uppercase letter. What does it need to end with? What does it need to end with? It needs to end with a period, some type of punctuation mark. We are going to talk about some different things we might smell outside. So our word is going to be smell. That is our action. Smell. What might we smell that the bees like to travel to and from all of the time? We might smell flowers. Smell flowers. Which one of these things that I wrote is a complete sentence? We have smell flowers, and then we have I smell flowers. Which one has both a someone or something and an action? This one has an action, smell, but it doesn't tell who smells it, does it? This one has a someone or a something, I, and it has an action, smell. It begins with a capital letter, and it ends with a period, a type of punctuation mark. So I smell flowers would be the complete sentence there. What are some other things you might smell? What might you smell in the kitchen? I have an idea. Let's see what I write. I smell cookies. I'll bet you guys like to smell cookies in the kitchen, don't you? I do. I like to make cookies and I like to smell them too. Let's look at this sentence and see if everything is okay with it. Does it have a someone? Is it talking about someone? It is talking about I. It has a someone or a something. So that's one check mark. Does it have an action word? Look at it. Does it have an action word? What is I doing? I smell. Smell is the action word. Does it have everything else it needs? Because it has the someone or something, it has the action word. So it has the two parts it needs, but look at how it's written. What is wrong with it? Look at this I. Is this an uppercase I or a lowercase I? It is an it is a lowercase I, but it needs to be an uppercase I because sentences always begin with a capital letter. Plus, our sight word I is always, always, always written as an uppercase, isn't it? So that's two reasons why it needs to be an uppercase I. What else does this need at the end of it? It needs some type of punctuation mark. In this case, we're just saying something. Or maybe we're going to say it excited. Maybe we're going to say, I smell cookies. And if we say it really excited, we're going to put that exclamation point right there. If we just say, I smell cookies and make a statement, then we're just putting that period there. But it has to have some type of a punctuation mark on it. Thank you for doing sentences with me today, boys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful day.